Welcome back to your English class. It is English grammar book. We will read today chapter 16 was were. In this chapter we will use how to use was and were. And you already know use of is, am and are. So like that we will use was with singular verbs and were with plurals. Like is, am, are, was, were, are also verbs. Now let us now learn the use of these two verbs. Carefully read the following sentences. Now first we will read about the use of was. The verb was indicates singular number. I have already told you that with single number we will use from is, am, are we will use is, and from was, were we will use was. It means the verb was is used to talk about one person or animal or place or thing. Lisa's car means it is Lisa is only one person, so we will use was. The verb was is used for car, and car is in singular. Car is also single. Read these sentences given below. I was sad when I lost my notebook. I is a singular verb, so we will use was. He was at park in the evening. He is also single. Hina is also single. Cartoon show is also singular. It is also shows single. It means the verb is used to talk about one person. These are all one animal, one place, or one classroom, one place, one thing, or one show, and one girl. So we will use was. Was is used for singular number. The verb was is used with pronoun I too. Means we can use I was with I. Now we will use how we will use were. The verb were indicates plural. Like that, was indicate singular and were indicate plural number. It means the verb were is used to talk about two or more than two persons or animals, things, places. The teachers. Look at here. The teachers. It is not a one person. It is more than one. Teachers means more than one teachers. So it is plural number. We will use were. And were is used for teachers, and noun teachers is in the plural form. These books are plural. They is also plural. You, we will use you can be for one or more than one, two or three, but always we will use were with you. Saurabh and Yash, they are more than one person, so were. Those children are also more than one. We is also more than one. So we will use now. You will do this exercise. Birbal. Birbal is only one person, so you will use was. Ashoka dashed the greatest dream. Ashoka was also one. Raju's parents, the poorest in the town, were. Ashu was. Girls, as is shows the plural form, so were. The baby dashed crying yesterday. Baby was crying. The birds dash over our heads. Birds, as look at here. Birds were. The king is only one person, so you will use was. Now I will do this, and I will send you this exercise to you. Look at here. The children were, plural were. Mum was. The carpets were. Bed sheets were. Cherries were. Small child, it is only one, so was. Abacus is also one system, was. Grains, more than one, so it will were will come here. And I was 10 last year. The house was. Anisha and Hanish, these are two students, more than one, so you will use were there. But Shailaj is only one, so was will come. Shailaj was not there. This exercise you will do yourself. Okay, thank you.